Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca here, and I have a new brand to talk about, Merit Beauty. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy this video and my channel. Stick around. Hey, so if you're new, welcome. There's quite a few of you. Hello. Typically, I am drugstore focused, but with a dabble in the high end. It's kind of like makeup for all ages, all budgets. I'm 48 years old and I love a bargain, but I also love something that is just quality or one and done or sophisticated and worth it. You get the idea. So I know that's a lot of you out there as well. And I wanted to talk today about Merit Beauty. It is a new brand at Sephora, and you guys, I am honored. They reached out to me. They've just launched on the Sephora website, and it will be in stores at Sephora as well for February, this month. So anyway, so this is not a sponsored video, but I did get the products gifted to me. These are not cheap Sephora products in terms of like Sephora collection price range, but they're not, you know, Gucci, Westman, Atelier, Tom Ford. Like, it's a luxury brand, but it's also more of a minimalist, intelligent brand. You probably are more familiar with this creator than you realize, but Catherine Power is the creator behind Merit Beauty. She has been named one of those 40 under 40 people, which I'm like, that's nice. I'm 48, so I think I might make a list of the top 50, 100 of under 50 that have remembered to brush their teeth. Like, I'm like, what have I done? But she also creates Versed skincare, which you guys, I talk about a lot on my channel at Target, and the Who What Wear line also at Target. Oh my God. And it's like one of my favorite Target clothing brands to buy. The Merit line is kind of based on the no makeup. So you've got 7 items only in the line, and that includes the brush, and that's this brush right here, which so nice. Oh my God. This is like everything. Yes. Okay. Sorry. I will try not to sound so excited because it's annoying, but the package comes from their website. I don't know what they're like from Sephora, but they come in like, you know, the cardboard containers, but this is their little reusable pouch. It's like a cotton, like a corduroy. It literally reminds me of some pants my mom made me in the 4th grade that I loved so much. Yeah, anyway, so you can reuse this. You can throw it in the washing machine. It's awesome to just, you know, if you want to put, honestly, this reminds me of something I would have used for my daughter for church with like her stuffed animals or doll clothes. But so this is the entire line so far, and you can see that it is minimalist. So it is, you know, it is a clean brand at Sephora, and you know how I feel about clean brands. I really feel like that is just kind of a marketing term. However, I do appreciate that what's not in these products is fragrance. There's not going to be like denatured alcohol. Now, she also promises there's like over 1,100 or there's over 1,000 ingredients the EU does not allow in their cosmetic and beauty products that the United States does. So she is using EU standards in terms of ingredients. And also, you know, packaging has been from post-consumer plastic. It's, you know, so it is thoughtful. For instance, this is the blush, the cream blush. And normally those come in kind of like the long, like a deodorant stick, you know, something kind of long that twists up. And in her case, in Merit's case, that's all there is, you know? And you look like, well, is this a sample? But no, it's just, you're getting the same amount of product right here, but you don't need the same amount of packaging right there. So I really, really respect that. For me, clean, I've said this before, of course, you know, we want cruelty-free. Vegan is great if that's important to you too. but we want sustainable. We want to know what kind of carbon footprint is on the planet. We want to know if it's who's farming it, you know, and how they're being treated, that kind of thing. I'm not going to do this in real time, like 5 minutes. I could, I mean, maybe one day. Right now, I'm wearing my Versed sunscreen. I'll link it below. So I'm going to do the whole thing on my face, the products, and I'm going to take you through my thoughts. I'm going to talk about what I love, what I think doesn't work as well for me, but might work for another skin type, etc. So here we go. All right, I am going to begin with this multi-stick that is it's concealer, it's foundation, it's touch-up, it's everything in one, and it is basically this kind of solid makeup product. So it is solid. It comes in a variety of shades. So this is kind of, I want to say like skin tint, like medium coverage, but there's a lot of shades. There's darker shades to choose from as well. So it's not like, oh, here's 3 shades and, you know, one's tan and, you know, good luck. Alrighty, so I'm gonna put this on over my sunscreen and I'm gonna wear it all over my face as, like I said, like one product. This shade is Linen. I'm gonna kind of start on one side of my face so you can sort of see my transformation. I think it's got a little bit of a yellow undertone. I'm gonna blend it with the brush. This is this is like the all-purpose brush that you can buy, and it really reminds me of like one of the Wayne Goss brushes I love so much. It's got that goat hair. No, it's probably not goat hair. I don't know. I'm gonna look because I think it's synthetic hair. But you can use this for every product in the line. You can use a different brush. You can use, you know, your sponge. I do have a damp Juno. So I'm kind of deciding if I want to do fingers, which I think, yes, I think my fingers are kind of really what's gonna get the product warm and in my skin. I have to say, so this is a very emollient product. I have dry skin. So yes, I love it. But I actually feel like it doesn't have a ton of slip. So even if you're an oily skin, you might like this because it's not going to just slide off your face. When I've worn this several times on its own, and it was just so emollient. It just felt like it was kind of just sitting in my pores because it's not got like all the kind of nylon vinyl stuff that some of the other products, you know, foundations have that we're getting used to. So you can use this around your eyes. I mean, I know that I'm like kind of taking a long time, but you can get a couple shades of this to mix it up, blend it, use it, you know. Honestly, what I'm most excited of for this is concealer touch-up. Your face just kind of feels good and it just looks nice. This is perfect for when we start traveling again, like vacation. You know, you can just pop this in your bag. It's TSA friendly. So then I'm gonna do, this is shade Terracotta. It's the cheek color. And again, you can put this, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't really show it to you. I picked this shade because it's kind of a bronzer, kind of a blush. But do you see, okay, we're getting into territory of products that I am kind of crazy about. I love this product. This product has no, like you barely need to blend it. It has this glow to it. Do you see that glow? And it's such a pretty shade. Like this can be used for anybody. I'm going to put this here to kind of, and I'm going to put it here. I'll put this a little bit higher because I know that that sometimes helps lift. Because I'm not contouring, I'm not doing anything, you know, dramatic. Give me a little, it's like sun. It's kind of like, it's like a bronzer and a blush in my case. Okay, so let's do our eyebrows. Let's do my eyebrows. This is the 1990, what is this called? The 80s fluff or something like that. I love it. This is Blonde and it's the volumizing brow product. And it's funny because it's the whole like fuller brows that we are all talking about. And remember when I said in my my 21 questions, I was like, yeah, I'm having a hard time with kind of feathery brows. And then I get this product and I'm like, oh, okay, I can do this. So you can totally get those brows up with this product, which is what I'm doing. I haven't powdered, I haven't done anything. Totally get that. And of course, you know, they don't make powders, but I have a feeling this, you're gonna see more. I didn't use the brush for the blush, but you can. In fact, I think it kind of blots it. But are we looking at my eyebrows? See how I just kind of have that fluffier, fuller eyebrow? Now the mascara is really nice. I would say the mascara is on the thin side. It's a volumizing tubing lash and it's called Perfect. This is Perfect Black is the shade. It's a great brush in terms of it's got the bristles, it's not too big, it's not too spiky. It's quite nice, but you know me, I love my just thick, clumpy, dramatic mascara. So that's not what this is, but it's still a beautiful product. And if you're not like me, then you're gonna want this. It's like it builds fibers. Okay, Sophie, I hear you now. That is my dog. Oh, I'll be using a Q-tip. So it does have a good grip, you know, it's not totally thin and wet. It has a little bit of a grippy, drier texture to it. And it's, as mascaras go, it's probably one of the more volumizing tubing ones I've tried. We shall wipe that off. I definitely think I could use more blush. I'm sorry, my dog has a heart condition and has to cough. So this is a tinted lip oil. I think that those are so popular right now. And this is the shade Marrakesh. This is the shade Marrakesh. It's just this really pretty kind of rosewood, if you will. I am going to put a little lip liner on my lips. So here we go with the oil, the lip oil. No scent, so nothing, no gimmicks. Not that I don't like a gimmick, but you know. I'm telling you, if it's snowing where you live, you need this. Actually, I guess as a desert and sunny, you would need this too. It just feels so good. I think this shade is going to be so pretty for so many tones. A smidge of my Wander Beauty powder. There's a little bit, I just need to set it right here. I think if you're oily, you're just gonna see some of that going on and you'll appreciate just a bit of powder. And plus this shade is the the medium Wander Beauty powder, so I'm just kind of pressing it. So the product I have not set the product under my eye, and it has not creased, it has not settled. I think it looks really nice. This blush is just, I'm loving it. Okay, you guys, I saved my favorite. I saved my favorite for the end, and that is this. This is a cream highlighter stick, and I have the shade Bounce, and I think it comes in 2 shades. What I love about this has, you know, I opened it up and I'm like, oh, that's cute. Yeah, we've seen that before. But the emollients on this, so the glimmer, there's no glitter. The metallic, the glimmer and the frost pearl, if you will, is minimal in this. What is beautiful about this is the sheen, the moisture, like it's not quite the Dew Wet Balm from Danessa Myricks, but it's so, it's dewy here. Like I could put this on, I could just kind of rub this on my skin all day. It doesn't move any makeup. It doesn't lift up product. It has just, like I said, I mean, it's shiny. It stays slick on the skin. Oh, that sounds bad because I know people are going to be like, ew, no. But look at my nose. So it dries down to a point, but not like, it doesn't dry down in a powder. It just kind of, you know, it just kind of blends like a cream. And of course I just went to town right here. But I love it. I love it. Do you see how shiny I am? I know. Curious how, like, look, I don't even have any makeup on this side of my face, but I'm just gonna put this on because it's so nice and hydrating. It doesn't have any scent or anything. I love it. It's my favorite. I'm definitely gonna buy some myself. This is what I'm loving. So there are all the Merit products for you. I love this, and I understand it's not everyone's budget, but give it a, you know, just thanks for watching if that wasn't your thing. And if it is your thing, you know, definitely check all my links where it goes to Sephora, and yeah, let me know what you think. But I'm excited. I love new women-owned brands on the scene. How exciting is that? And yeah, look at me. I'm just like half and half. But now you can see sort of what the, you know, makeup, right? Yeah, I love it. So thank you, Merit. Thanks for reaching out to me, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, all that good stuff. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time. Bye.